This tutorial will take you through downloading and installing Handbrake. This is a free video transcoder software. We're going to use this software to shrink our movie files into smaller manageable files for uploading to the internet. So the first thing you need to do is go on the website if you haven't clicked on the link already. It's called handbrake.fr, handbrake.fr. So go there, this will be the home page. Click on downloads. Now, depending on what you're using, if it's Mac, Windows or Linux, you'll need to download the relevant version. We're going to download Windows. Here we go. It's a prompt to download. As soon as it's downloaded, we're going to install it by clicking next. So it'll come up and say, welcome to the setup. Just keep clicking next. It'll install this in standard directories. So once it's installed, click finished. And that's it. So now we've got Handbrake.